Today, we're diving into some unique brain exercises that can actually make your mind healthier, sharper, and more focused. And don't worry, this isn't the usual just meditate or do breathing exercises advice. These are fun, interactive challenges you can try right now. The kind you'll actually enjoy doing in your free time. Now you might be thinking, my brain is already pretty sharp. Great, let's put that confidence to the test and see if we can level it up even more. Exercise 1, the Schulte Table Challenge. First up, we're going to wake up your brain. You'll see a grid with numbers from 1 to 25 placed randomly. Your goal? Start from number 1 and find each number in order as fast as possible, ideally within 30 seconds. Focus. Stay calm. Ready? How did you do? If you didn't find them all, that's completely fine. With practice, this exercise improves your processing speed, attention, and even your peripheral vision. You can find more Schulte Table challenges online or in apps for a quick daily brain workout. Exercise 2, the multicolor text test. This one looks simple, but it's trickier than it seems. You'll see words written in different colors. Your task is to say the color of the word, not the word itself. For example, if the word red is written in blue ink, you say blue. Ready? Feels harder than expected, right? That's because your brain is being forced to override automatic reading habits. This strengthens focus, memory, and multitasking skills. Exercise 3. Blindfolded Brain Boost. Now let's challenge your senses. Try completing small tasks with your eyes closed. Write your name. Draw a circle, a triangle, or a square. Or even type something on your phone. Go ahead. Pause the video and try typing your name in the comments with your eyes closed. This exercise sharpens spatial awareness and strengthens memory recall by activating parts of your brain you don't normally rely on. Exercise 4. Hand coordination. Switch time to test your coordination. Make a peace sign with your right hand and an OK sign with your left. Now switch them. Keep switching 5 times in a row within 10 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This simple movement strengthens the connection between your brain and body and improves coordination between both hemispheres of your brain. Exercise 5. Use your non-dominant hand. This one is simple but powerful. Use your non-dominant hand for everyday tasks. Brush your teeth with it. Write with it. Eat with it. It may feel awkward at first. That's the point. You're forcing your brain to form new neural connections, making it stronger and more adaptable. If you're enjoying this video, try giving it a like with your non-dominant hand. Exercise 6. Smart brain games. We often hear that video games are addictive. And yes, some are. But the right kinds of games can boost your brain power. Try games like Sudoku, chess, riddles, word scrambles, or memory puzzles. These improve decision-making, focus, and problem-solving. Choose games that make you think, not just tap mindlessly. Exercise 7. Reduce tech dependence. Finally, let's talk about something powerful: limiting your dependence on technology. Technology makes life easier, but relying on it too much makes your brain lazy. Try memorizing phone numbers. Do simple math without a calculator. Remember your grocery list instead of writing it down. This isn't about avoiding technology completely. It's about making your memory your first tool, and technology your backup. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed these exercises and want more simple ways to strengthen your mind, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to know, Which exercise challenged you the most? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.